All right, today we're going over the reteaching for topic 14, graphing points on the coordinate grid. And for set A, which goes with pages 777 and 782, remember the first is the x coordinate, and then first find the x coordinate, then find the y coordinate. Write the order in xy order. Which point is located at 9, 5? So we're starting at the origin. We start at 0, we go over 9 and up 5, so that is R. Which point is that 0, or is that 2, 3? We're starting at the origin, we go over 2 and up 3, over 2, up 3, we're at K. What ordered pair names point T? Point T, we go over 3 and up 4. Over 3, starting at origin, over 3, up 4, will get you to T. What's the ordered pair for the origin? And it's always 0.0. For set B, remember you can use a tool, such as a ruler, to draw a line to connect the points on the graph. Use the table below to plot the ordered pairs, then complete the graph by connecting the points. So we're going to use the table first, and there's our ordered pair. 2, 1, over 2, up 1, 4, 2, starting at origin, over 4, up 2. The third one, starting at origin, over 6 and up 3. Starting at origin, over 8 and up 4. And then we're going to connect it with a line. And we, in this case, it just says to plot the pairs. You don't have to label them, but if you were to label them, you would label them 2, 1, 4, 2 with the parentheses, 6, 3 with the parentheses, and 8, 4 with the parentheses. Always put the parentheses around them so they know you're not like some strange person that's writing a number like that. A reader might think you mean this, but if you put parentheses around it, they know you mean a coordinate pair. Write two ordered pairs greater than, write two ordered pairs with x coordinate greater than 10 that are on that line. So if we were to continue that line, you could have 12, 6, 20, 10. So greater than 10, that would be something that would go off the chart. So we're looking at, you can look at your data table here. So we want x bigger than 10. So our next value, the rule here, it looks like we're adding 2. So it's plus 2 would be the rule. X plus 2 would be the rule. That comes up in a later chapter. And the y rule would be y plus 1. So we could have 10, 5 wouldn't be greater than 10. It would be 10. So how about 12, 6, 14, 7, 16, 8, and so on. Okay, next page. Remember that you can use a graph or table to reason about and solve word problems. A company uses the graph to show how many packages each truck driver delivers. How many packages will one truck driver deliver in a 7-hour day? So the hours, if you look at the line, the line is ending, but it appears to be continuing. And if you straighten it out, you can say in 7 days, we would be at 105, right up there. The graph shows the relationship. So what information can help you solve the problem? The graph shows the relationship between the number of hours and the number of packages delivered. How can you find the number of packages delivered? Use the graph to find the y-coordinates when the x-coordinate is 3. And if you want to know in 3 hours, you would look at 3, and then you would go up and say 45. Let me clear this for you so you can see what I'm talking about. Hang on. Let's shrink it up a little. And so for 3 hours, you would look at the 3 and then find where on the line it falls right there. So you go over and say 45. How many would be in a 7-hour day? We just continued that line and we figured it was 105. And the last question, how can you find how many hours it will take for one truck driver to deliver 120 packages? You look at 120 and you can see where it would fall on the line. You can also if you look at a table, you'll see, if you create a table of the values, you'll see in 1 hour, there's 15 packages. At the second hour, they're at 30 packages. In the third hour, they're at 45 packages. If you look at the data that's already there, in the fourth hour, they're at 60 packages. So when X increases by 1, Y is going to increase by 15. So what do we want to know? When will we have 120? So use the graph to find the X coordinate when Y is 120. So if we continue our pattern there, in 5 hours, we'll have plus 15. That would be 75. In 6 hours, we'll have plus 15. That would be 90. In 7 hours, we'll have plus 15. That's 105. And in 8 hours, we'll have 120. So it would be 8 hours. And you could either continue drawing the graph or you could plot out the data in a data table to help you solve that problem. That's it.